Hey there, I'm Bea with the AI Teaching Network, and I'm here to talk to you about using ChatGPT to elevate your assessment questions. Assessments play a pivotal role in providing educators with valuable understanding of learners' progress and evaluating their achieved educational outcomes. ChatGPT can be your partner in creating effective assessments by helping create all kinds of assessment questions, from scenario-based to multiple-choice questions with correct answers and distractors to discussion questions. Let's take a look at some examples. First up is multiple-choice questions with a correct answer and distractors. You can simply ask ChatGPT to create a multiple-choice question with X number of correct answers and X number of distractors based on your content. For example, I'm writing an assessment for a college-level course, Intro to Special Education Law. Please create a multiple-choice question with 1 correct answer and 3 distractors. The question should ask learners when it is required for a teacher to implement a student's 504 plan. Here's the results. You can pause the video now to read them. Now, let's combine multiple-choice questions with scenario-based questions. I asked ChatGPT to generate a scenario-based, multiple-choice assessment question with 3 distractors and 1 correct answer over the following topic for an assessment over special education law. The topic: when must a teacher follow a 504 plan for a 9th grade student? Here you can pause to read ChatGPT's response. This is an overall well-written scenario-based assessment question that can be modified if needed. Last, let's see what ChatGPT comes up with when we ask it to create discussion questions over the topic. We'd ask ChatGPT to generate 3 discussion questions over a paragraph of text from the U.S. Department of Education's definition of a Section 504 plan. On the next slide, you can pause to read ChatGPT's response. These questions are thorough, and while discussion question number 3 begins to go outside of the scope of the topic, when we asked ChatGPT to provide a different question, it really hit the mark. Incorporating ChatGPT into your assessment writing toolkit allows you to craft intricate scenarios, foster meaningful discussions, and enhance your multiple-choice questions by creating prompts and distractors that encourage critical thinking. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit us at tpotterdesign.com for more.